Australia has significant potential to become a global player in the battery manufacturing industry due to its abundant mineral resources. However, several challenges need to be addressed. High labor costs, price competition, and lack of local manufacturing are some of the key hurdles. Investment plays a crucial role in establishing the battery manufacturing industry in Australia. The federal government has recently allocated $14 million to Powering Australia to establish the Powering Australia Industry Growth Centre. The Australian government has launched consultations for the country's first national battery strategy, aiming to transition Australia to a decarbonised economy and support Australian industry. In Victoria, the state government is promoting battery manufacturing as part of its renewable energy initiatives. While the current policies are a step in the right direction, there's a need for more comprehensive and supportive policies to fully realize Australia's potential in the battery manufacturing industry.